You're welcome to Explore. Good evening or good morning, any time of the day that it is to you. I'm here today to talk to some learning support assistant. So maybe your LSA, or LSA in short. You are handling a child a case that you feel like you're a bit confused, you don't know how to start, you don't know how to go about it. Based on every scenario, you feel like you're lost. Please don't be lost. In every situation, we start from the basics, and every child, the basics is always home. So what the child brings to school is what the child has from home. So once the child comes to school, you as the support person, you have the target to assist the child from the basics. In that school environment, what is the basic unit you have? It is a classroom. If you can affect the child in the classroom, the child will extend that to the school and to the community. So first thing you should do as an LSE is to set a routine, and in that routine, the very first thing you want to think of is a classroom role. I have a classroom role here. This one is for children with ASD or ADHD. So if you have a case like that, this might be really good. You see, it has things like treat others with respect, raise your hand, listen carefully, be responsible, obey. So these are just a few words I'm just picking from here. So based on your own child, you have to create, first of all, a classroom rule, starting the routine of that child. You have the IEP of that child, so you know exactly what that child needs. So but the first target you have is to establish that child in class. That child would not be like every regular student, but if the child can have some little bit of of development, let's call it like that, from classroom, then gradually it will be extending to the school, then to home, and to the community at large. If you're done with that, please go to the next thing. Magic words. These are words that everyone is expected. A child with special needs must not know all of this, but you should teach the child magic words as much as the child needs. You know that child, you know what the child needs, so you're teaching the child what the child needs. So with the child, with ASD and ADHD, they always have this problem of approaching or on how to approach